Hey there, happy Halloween 2021. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Just sharing what I've learned, sharing my experiences in both the offline and the online world. And today is Halloween, which is actually one of my favorite holidays. Wish I was feeling better, been under the weather for, geez, it feels like a couple of weeks now. It feels like almost a month. Just dragging through this silly cold thing. You know, in the days of COVID, we forget that we still get colds. We still feel rotten and we still get colds. So today we wrapped up being Halloween, day 31 of our free Get Up and Go challenge, October 2021. We wrapped that up today with just discussion of the transformation, the SOAP framework, how we apply that, how we make it automatic, installed in our subconscious through repetition so that we're guaranteed to have better results after any change or challenge or setback or obstacle or problem we face if we apply the SOAP framework on our subconscious and then deal with our life that way. We're always guaranteed to have better results after a change or challenge than before that change or challenge. Better results for us. And of course, that's always unique and individual based on the situation, because all of our experiences and situations are unique and different and special. But the SOAP framework can easily and automatically make that possible. That's why we do the free Get Up and Go challenge. We've done it 9 times. We just finished the 9th one in December 2021. In a couple of months, we will do the 10th free Get Up and Go challenge since COVID-19 started. And then we'll reevaluate at the end of the year and decide, okay, well, what are we going to do with the Get Up and Go challenge going forward? Is it going to continue, or are we going to change it and morph it into something different? Love to do it as a workshop. I think it'd be a really fun workshop where we could knock it out in, say, a couple of hours instead of, there's power in having it be a little bit every day for 30, 31 days. There's huge power and benefit to that. But some people are like, I don't want to spend a little bit of time every day, not understanding and realizing the power of that single daily action in our lives, but they want to just knock it out in a workshop. Now, almost everybody I've ever done it in a workshop for has also joined us in the 30+ day challenge because they understand the power of breaking it down in practice. Many people have gone through the challenge over and over and over again, just like I have, because every time we do it, it reinforces our progress in each and every area and aspect of our life, because we're putting a little bit of concerted effort on each of those areas and aspects of our life every other month. And it's proven to be very, very powerful. Our idiom for Supersize Your Business today was in the long run. And as a bonus, I shared the top 10 Halloween idioms, which I will share right now because I think they're worth repeating because they're so fun. See if I can get to that page quickly. I looked them up because I thought it would be fun. And it was also fun because in the long run, I looked up an article today that ended up being from a woman I went to high school with. She was the author of it in terms of how to make sure that your business survives in the long run. She did 8 strategies to make sure that you're considering. And I thought that was pretty cool because we went to high school together. And she's been a management consultant in the Twin Cities area since graduating, I think, from grad school. I think she went to grad school. All right, I know I wrote this list down. Here we go. Top 10 Halloween idioms, just for the fun of it. Magnifying glass in hand. Skeleton in the closet. Got any skeletons in your closet? Ghost town. Ever been to a ghost town? I have. Love ghost towns. Scaredy cat. Actually just watched a show with my granddaughter, my 8-month-old granddaughter, called Scaredy Cat while we were playing yesterday as part of a Halloween thing. And it was so bad. I couldn't recommend it. It was little girls acting ghost witch story, so bad. Scared stiff. Have you ever been scared stiff? I absolutely have. Wouldn't say boo to a goose. I have to admit, I'm not familiar with this one. This is the only one on the list that I'm not familiar with. Drop dead gorgeous. Night owl. I used to work the night shift. Dig your own grave. Have we made mistakes and dug our own grave sometimes? Oh yeah, been there, done that. Graveyard shift. I used to work the graveyard shift. And over my dead body. I've definitely told people that they wouldn't do something over my dead body. So I've definitely used that expression before. So those are our top 10 idioms for Halloween, this fun holiday that we're all experiencing today. And our annual challenge today was about being blonde, and that being blonde can be more fun, but it isn't vital to fun. And so we're going to share in our Do One Thing Every Day that centers us, what is fun for you. What's fun for me today? What's fun for you? What's fun for me? Halloween is super fun for me. That's the secret spider in my hair and my little Halloween decorations. I love Halloween, and I'm excited to see my granddaughters today all dressed up in the pumpkins and all the funness that surrounds Halloween. I guess people would say it's probably because they used to call me a witch, and maybe that's why I like Halloween so much. All right, any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'm going to enjoy the holiday with my stuffily nose. Invite you to do the same. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow, letting you know what we're working on as we transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business and back and forth again in 2021. Have a great day, and I will be with you tomorrow.